All right, so I don't know where this video is gonna go, but I'm just gonna cut you guys on before I take off to go pick up the front control arms. Um, Cleaned up a little bit, not organized, but cleaned up a little bit. Got all the dust and everything off the floor, all the scrap metal that's been cut and trimmed off, and then consolidated a bunch of the boxes that are on top of the Monte. I know I was using Mona Lisa as a storage rack for a while, so uh, consolidate those all down. Have a lot of parts. So Terminator X came in, paintless wiring harness, rockers. Those are the master cylinders and reservoirs for the pedal box, fuel pump back there, main bearings, cam bearings, front suspension stuff, coilovers, front brake brackets. But I did do one thing. Now I know previously when I finished up the front end, I test fitted the American Racing draft wheels off of Mona Lisa on the front, and the offset and whips were a little too wide for the front of it. I was like, well, with the rear end somewhat in place, I still have to adjust a little bit. It's like, why not see how they fit on the rear? They look good. They look pretty good, but I'm not going to show you guys just yet. I will say I have another wheel in mind, and I think it's going to fit the car a lot better, but they don't come in black. I think the finish is going to go with the car for a while. I could get them powder coated in black later on down the road, or before I get them mounted, so that might be an option. Wish my buddy Zach had a bigger oven so he could powder coat them black, but I might have to shop around and see another place if they could get them done in time. But man, the 20s are a good option, but I'm leaning more towards 18s for it, especially since I'll probably do a drag radial on it. So I think the size I'm looking at for the tire size with the 18s would be 275, 40, 18s. And they're going to be slightly smaller than these 20, or what are these? 245, 35, 20s. So a little bit more sidewall, a lot wider tire. But I think they're going to look good. You guys ready to see them? Man, they look good on there. They look good. But yeah, I'm like, it might be a backup set. If I find a narrower front wheel, I think these are 8.5s. I think they might do an 8-inch wide wheel, but I'd have to get the right backspace. These are right under 5. These are like 4.99, so 5-inch backspacing on it. I think if I found them an 8 by 4.5, or 20 by 8 with a 4.5-inch backspacing for the front, I think I might be able to run this setup on there. But like I said, I think I'm gonna go with the 18s just because it is gonna see some track time, especially with Rocky Mountain Race Week. I signed up for that, so that's why I'm leaning more towards the drag radial, so I'm not gonna use on the track and the street. If not, order 2 sets of the rear tires and get a drive set and a race set. So we'll see about that. But what do you guys think? The 20s on the PT? I think they look good. They look good. We will have to do some trimming. I might just make this its own video. So we will have to do some trimming on the inside. There's this lip right here. It's pretty much a pinch weld. So we'll probably have to cut this out. Let me see if I have a light. I just got organized, so I don't know where anything is. Well, not organized. Move stuff around. Let's put it that way. There goes the light. I guess I could show you guys on the other side. I still have to adjust the wheel. Like I said, the rear end's not in there all the way, so this will have to go in a little bit, and this will come out, even the wheel up, and I think back slightly. But yeah, so this little lip inside here need to be trimmed up. I think just on this back side, really. This front piece really doesn't matter. It's high enough up where I don't think the suspension travel will affect it. but we'll see. Another thing is with this setup, or with the wheels I'm thinking about going with, they're 10-inch wide, so it'd be 11 overall, but 18 by 10s with a 4.5-inch backspace. No, 5 or 5.5-inch backspace. I think that's what the specs are on the wheel, and that would put it just flush with the quarter. So I might have to roll these, give it a little flare. I do know this side's a little different. So when I was telling you guys about how the gas tank and everything was with the wheel well, so this side didn't have it, but I might still have to keep in mind, because I think this is a little bit, this is about the same spot as the other side. Might be a little bit higher, so I might not have to clearance it, but I have to keep that in mind. Just been depending on suspension travel and all that. See how it looks once it's under or on its own weight. I know I could adjust the coilovers, lift it up a little bit, but nice little tuck wouldn't hurt. But yeah, that's it for this one. Just a little 5-6 minute video, seeing what the wheels look like on it. What do you guys think? 20s, or should I step it down to 18 or a little bit larger sidewall? Let me know which wheels will look good on here. I have an idea. Like I said, I think they're gonna look better than the American Draft wheels on here, but I'm not sure, because I'm digging these, especially with like the two-tone look. I'm digging these, but we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, I might have to pull the trigger on the wheels I'm thinking about. Like I said, I think it'd be 18 by 10s in the rear, 18 by 8s up front. I think that's what the specs were on the car. I was a little worried. Thought I'd have to go something like a weld wheel or something that'd give away that sleeper aspect of it. But I think the wheels I have in mind, I think they would work on the car. Just need to wait to get the front control arms back, do some measuring, and we'll go from there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. How those look on here. Alright, so I'll just talk about the control arms. Just went and picked them up. They're looking good at Champagne. So that's almost well, depend on the lighting. But yeah, it's a pretty good match to the original color. It's kind of what I was trying to play off of. So it's gonna look real good once everything up under here is undercoated and painted black. We'll just add the champagne color for the control arms and the trailing arms. We'll probably have to just paint the calipers. Wasn't able to get those powder coated, but that's no biggie. Might leave them black, might paint them. Who knows? But yeah, we got them back, so we can throw the front suspension back on, and then eventually put that on. I have 2 spare wheels there, but I might borrow my neighbor's. He has some front runners that look a little bit better than the spares. I was going to throw those 2 donuts on the rear, but with the calipers a little too big. So we'll see. Have stuff coming for the transmission cross members, so I can build that. Kind of have an idea on how I want to do that. So once that's knocked out, I'll be able to remove the jack stand that's holding that up, and eventually find either a spare set of wheels or see if I get the actual wheels I want for this thing and set it on all 4. But yeah, that's it for the night. Just want to give you guys a little quick update. Man, they look good. They look good. Yeah, so yeah, eventually we'll add those up on there with the QA1s in between them, and we'll go from there. I thought about doing the springs and all that, but I was like, nah, I'll leave some type of contrast. I think that's why the two-tone on the wheels I was digging, because like it sets it off a little bit. What's up, buddy? Give me some. What's up? What's up? But yeah, let me get the dog back inside, and I'm gonna call it a night. But yeah, that's what we have coming. Let me know. You guys think the American Racing Draft wheels look good on there, or you guys want to see what I have in mind for it? I think what I have in mind for it is gonna look a little bit better on here. But we'll go from there. I think this guy's hungry. Food? Where's your food at? Let's go get it.